The Swiss-built Pilatus PC-7 turbo trainer is designed to provide all aspects of basic flying training, including aerobatics, instrument, tactical and night flying, and is operated by some 20 air forces around the world to train professional military pilots. Since its introduction in 1978, close to 500 aircraft have been sold, most still in service today. This 1/3 scale model is by Christian Langensee of France and suffered a disconnected aileron linkage, causing alarming wing flutter. So a prudent early landing seems like a good idea.